After 1 year, Electrico is back with Lightning Twist. I can't believe my first race has a win for me. Yes, Electrico, they got more than spirits. Well, that's gotta supposed to happen. Wait, what's that? Hey, Electrico, remember me? Sure. I have to admit this is a good spot for everyone, even though I was clear act. Well, it seems I have my first win since 1 year ago. Yeah, I think so. I think other racers wanted to race too. So many cars are exciting for a race. I bet you will. On my way, parasites. Well, if it isn't the number 24. It's been 1 year, Electrico. 1 year. You keep trash talking to me, huh? That's not good. Whoa, people. Jackson, what are you doing in here? I was expecting that I was the first villain in the first Electrico movie. But now, I'm different. I'm not a villain anymore. That was unexpected. Then I am a villain. I'm the fastest, strongest car in the entire race. You won't beat me, Electrico. You'll see. We need to think about it. Think about it? You mean using lightning powers? Exactly. Electrico, it's been 1 year since you're a racer. Thanks, guys. It's been in the good days, right, Electrico? Yeah. Do your best, Electrico. Thanks. You morons won't do anything. Wish me luck, boys. This is it, Electrico. Final lap! Oh, no. What am I supposed to do? I'm in dead last. Nice one, Electrico. You did it. Oh, great. There's a win for Electrico, and I'm in dead last. You did nicely, Electrico. Thanks. Now it's time for the final tournament. I can't believe, Electrico, you got World Grand Prix logo on your back. Yeah, precisely. I had this thing friction, so who would ever do that to everyone? Don't worry, I've got a plan and not afraid to use it. see how remember. I mean, exactly. You ready, Electrico? I bet I will. It's been generations since the first movie. Yeah, since the first. I think it's getting faster than everyone expected. Well, I think you got powers in you. Yeah, everything just different. Alright, Electrico, do your thing. She's right behind. They're blocking me. Ugh. Come on, really? The other racers are going to beat me. Oh no, I've been smoked for the last time. Reach this. Win the race. I need to cool it off. I think Electrico deserves to win. I mean, constantly. Thanks, guys. I wouldn't agree someone when they're back. Oh. Gotta go. Oh. Wait. But Lightning. What are you doing? I'm going straight back. Straight back for what? I've been racing for several years. Because you're doing it all yourself? Yeah. Things never forgot. I guess we are forgotten. Hey, we're not forgotten. We're racers. And racers team up together. We've got an idea how.
When you find yourself in some far-off place.
Oh, wow. I hope one day they decided to retire the trilogy between the collaboration with them.
Yeah, that's when you find yourself where you go through life.
I think Electrico 3 will be in development, you know, very in the year 2027. This could be better graphics with better drivers, better cars, and many more to come. And that's very nice to every single people who helped everybody to apologize for being helpful.
Yourself to live for someone else, and then you find yourself. Yeah, that's when you find yourself.
Whoa, this could be imagined and everyone expected. someone believed them. And one day they'll get the possible to, purchasing isn't right. I mean, come on. People liked us, somebody liked them. I mean, what amateur move should we have? I mean, come on. This is only the beginning. Electrico 3 will be in development soon. I promise. Real promise. Alright, the movie's over. I hope Electrico 3 is in development.